Students often ask me how can they improve their finger strength or their picking accuracy, and this exercise is brilliant for both. In fact, it's so good we even sneak some timing practice in there. So here's how it works. You're going to place a finger 1 on fret 1 of the thick string and play just that thick string. Then we've got finger 2 fret 2, finger 3 fret 3, finger 4 fret 4. You might notice that my fingers stay quite close to the strings. Initially your fingers might look a bit more like this, which is fine, don't worry. Just get those fingers down, get them feeling good. The other thing that I often kind of do without thinking is stretch. This is not a stretching exercise, this feels comfortable for me. If you feel like you're bunched up like that, fine, don't worry, you'll get there. We move on now to the next string. And the next string, and the next string, and the next string, and the next string. To expand on this exercise, what we would then do is move our hand up 1 fret, and you notice now my 4th finger is on the 5th fret. And we're employing this technique here called finger per fret. So we've assigned a finger their own fret, meaning I'm going to descend like this now. And you'll notice how each finger has its own fret to deal with. Try and avoid doing this kind of thing. You notice how that, I see that an awful lot, mixing up of fingers. Everyone I speak to talks about their pinky finger being weak and they'll avoid using it. No, this is the exercise you do to get it stronger, so don't avoid it. Okay. I think when you're doing this exercise, if you're not going to use a metronome, don't do it. While you're learning it, it's kind of fine. If you're just getting to grips with just the movements, but long term you have to get some kind of timing involved. This is where you're going to really see the benefit. Use these exercises that I'm going to put at the end of this video to have some form of timing. But the other thing you can do is use a metronome. If you Google metronome, I think there's one just on the Google homepage. You can get free apps for your phone. There's kind of no excuse. And the other thing that I've already touched on, the other kind of like must-do thing, is try and use all your fingers. Don't actually not try. You must use all your fingers to get the best out of this. So use that pinky finger. While we're doing this exercise as quarter notes, so crotchet beat, I don't really worry about the picking technique of my students too much. It's only when we get to 8th notes or quaver notes that we start talking about alternate picking, which is down, up. If you wished to have a rule going forward, so with this first basic quarter note crotchet beat, I would say downstrokes. So use downstrokes on all your strings. So that's spider exercise 1. Good luck.